Welcome back. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch has launched its agitation again. Manch decided to campaign against the Congress and has also resolved to support the BJP-MGP alliance in the assembly election. The decision was taken in Parents Mahasangh meeting organized by BBSM in Panji on Sunday. BBSM has also started a statewide door-to-door campaign for voters' awareness on the medium of instruction issue.
BJP आणि MG या दोघांची युती झाल्या म्हणून आता बातमी मिळाली आसा तांकां आमी सपोर्ट करतात त्या युतीक प्रत्येकाचे तुम्ही तुमचे लोक असतले त्या वाड्या वयले त्या सगळ्या लोकांक हे सांगचे पडटलें ती पत्रकां असतात ती पत्रकां आणि प्रचार हो प्रत्येकान करचो महिलांनी सगळ्यांनी करचो म्हणून.
Advocate Uday Bemre said that Congress government has done injustice to local languages by its pro-English decision on MOI issue. Uday Bemre made an appeal that Congress government should be dethroned from power.
आमची मागणी मानून घेनासतना तांणी हट्ट आपलो चलयला जाल्यार आतां ह्या निवडणुकीत आमची कर्तव्य आनी जबाबदारी जाता दिगंबर कामत सरकाराकच काडून भायर उडोवपाचें. हेच सरकार काँग्रेस पक्षाचें किंवा खंयच्याय युतीचें काँग्रेसी बरोबर वा दिगंबर कामतीचें परत आयलें सत्तेर मस्ती 10 पटींनी वाडटली. आमी केवळ काँग्रेस सरकाराक सत्तेवेल्यान देंवन ओगी रावचे नात आमी भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या सरकार येवचें असोय प्रयत्न करतात.
BBSM will also start voter awareness campaign from February 12 and will go on till 26.
भारतीय भाषा नष्ट करपाचें कारस्थान रचपी काँग्रेसीचो येता ते वेंचणुकेंत आमी भारतीय भाषा प्रेमी विरोधात मतदान करून पराभव करूया असो एकमुखी निर्धार आम्ही प्रकट करतात.
Our reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Trinamool Congress President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza has alleged involvement of 3 Congress leaders in Daboli airport land scam. As a strategy, Trinamool Congress has decided not to contest in 5 constituencies where there is straight fight. Party released its manifesto highlighting major issues like corruption, environment, education and unemployment.
3 people were involved in this. The Chief Minister, Morbin Gudino and Jose Philippe D'Souza. They were involved in this business of giving the land back to Bernard Costa, who immediately sold it off to the builders at a huge profit.
Trinamool Congress has released an 11-point agenda for the state. The 11 points in the agenda are governance, environment, infrastructure, education, health, Goa as financial services hub, industry and agriculture, plugging state revenue leakage, taxes and excise, migrant labor and land acquisition. Trinamool Congress began its election campaign from Priol constituency on Sunday. As a strategy, party has decided not to contest in 5 constituencies. However, Dr. Willie denied to mention the constituencies.
Because we feel that 1-to-1 fight will remove the bad element and the good element will win. It doesn't matter what party it belongs to.
Dr. Willie has alleged that some political leader had plans to tour people from Aldona to Shirdi. He also alleged that Election Commission's flying squad is not taking action on such complaints. Dr. Willie has demanded sacking of in charge of Bardej's flying squad.
Again he was informed, but he didn't do anything. He didn't come there and he didn't question the buses and he didn't question the people. So this is not the purpose of the Election Commission. I request the CEO to remove him.
Party General Secretary Mukul Roy, Party Election Observer Maria Fernandez and Central Committee members were also present for the release of the agenda. Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Various minority organizations in the state have expressed anguish as the Congress has denied ticket to many Muslim aspirants in various constituencies. All India Minority Front has decided to work against Congress in forthcoming assembly poll. Front says Congress-led government is responsible for illegal mining and other scams in the state. On the other hand, Goa Muslim Forum has decided to fill 7 candidates if Congress denies ticket to Muslims.
All India Minority Front has announced Anwar Syed as their candidate from Fatoda. President of All India Minority Front SM Asif says no party should consider Muslims as their vote bank. Their front is in talks with some regional parties for alliance. Front says Congress has made Muslims as their bonded labourers and so they are not going to support Congress. But they also say that if Congress gives ticket to any Muslim, then they will not field community candidate in that particular constituency.
कि यहाँ के जो भी मुसलमान हैं उन्होंने ये बात कही है कि पिछली बार मुझे धोखा दिया, इस बार हमने मांगी, इस बार भी कांग्रेस उनको सीट नहीं देगी। और मैं एक बात और यहाँ पर कहना चाहता हूँ इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि अगर जिस सीट पर मुसलमान कांग्रेस दे देगा उस सीट पर माइनॉरिटी फ्रंट का कैंडिडेट नहीं रहेगा, जो मुस्लिम उस सीट पर नहीं रहेगा जिस पर मुसलमान को दे देगा।
On the other hand, Goa Muslim Forum has also threatened to withdraw support to Congress if Congress denies ticket to Muslims. Goa Muslim Forum has plans to field 7 Muslim candidates. Forum wants Congress to give ticket to Shaifullah Khan from Murgaon.
आम्ही 7 कडेन आमचे थ्रू गोवा मुस्लिम फोरम थ्रू आम्ही 7 कडेन कॅन्डिडेट्स उबे करतले आनी ज्या जाग्यार आमची सायजेबल पॉप्युलेशन आहा थंय आनी सेकंडली जंय आमचे पॉप्युलेशन ना थंय आमी लायक मायंडेड पार्टीज आहा जे आमकां आतां अप्रोच करता खूब जाण पार्टीनी आमकां अप्रोच केला जे आमकां अप्रोच करता आमी तांकां सपोर्ट करतले.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now a look at the political events in the state.
Soon after confirming his ticket, Dayanand Sopte started his campaign in Madurai constituency. He was accompanied by many supporters. This is one of the controversial constituencies where Congress and NCP had multiple claimants. Sopte is confident that all will support him.
जे इच्छुक कॅन्डिडेट असतात वेगवेगळ्या पक्षाचे असतात म्हणजे माझे तातूंत आमदार आहात मिनिस्टर आहात तांचे सगळ्याचे बरे रिलेशन माझ्या बरोबर आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा ह्या सगळ्या कडसून इन्क्लुडींग आमचो श्रीधर मांद्रेकर हे एमजीचे जे बऱ्यापैकी कार्यकर्ते जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर आता त्यांचे सौभाग्यवती जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर असतात हे सगळ्यांचे म्हाका सहकार्य आणि आशीर्वाद नक्कीच असतले.
SGF member Remy Fernandez has forwarded his support to Congress MLA Alex Sikvera. Sources said that Remy was supposed to contest on Trinamool Congress ticket in Nuve. However, Remy says that Dr. Willie had approached him but he refused to contest.
Well, मेळ्ळो डॉक्टर विली हांवें दिलें ना एप्लिकेशन दिलें ना टिकेटी तो म्हाका हें केल्लें तेणें बसपा लागून एप्रोच जाल्लो.
Social worker Joseph Gonsalves has declared that he will contest from Kepe constituency. He has not decided about the party.
केप्यां कांयच बरें डेव्हलपमेंट जालें ना ना म्हूण तांचो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर केपेचो तसोच आसा आनी हें डेव्हलपमेंट जालें ना म्हणून हें हांवें पळोवन डिसिजन घेतलें की आमी इलेक्शनां येवन एक मॉडर्न सिटी एक मॉडर्न गोवा एक मॉडर्न केपें करपाचें म्हजे विचार आसा.
तुमी खंयच्या इलेक्शना बरोबर तुमी खंयची पार्टीन बी तुमकां सपोर्ट केला
ह्या टायमार आमकां कोणेच पयलीं खूब पार्टी म्हजे लागीं अप्रोच जाल्ल्यो आनी आजून दे आर इन टच विथ मी. वी हॅव नॉट क्लोज्ड एनी डोर फॉर एनी पार्टी.
Mario Moraes resigned from primary membership of the Congress party. He is annoyed with the Congress for refusing him ticket in Kunkai. He will now contest on Trinamool Congress ticket in Kunkai. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.